Is it now?
Yes, sir.
Let me check it out. I'll be the judge. This the master? Oh yeah, this is nice. Turn the light on. You see that light? Oh yeah, that's dope. Light bar at the top.
Yes, upstairs washing and laundry room. That's what I'm talking about. And each bedroom has a bathroom.
Yeah, I know. What?
I said, this has been a magnificent little tour. I like this, very well thought out. I've never seen a home with a dance studio in the basement.
Me neither.
Yeah. And this is all the way together. All the way down to whoever says the home. Okay? This is fire.
Man, did you see the infinity pool the neighbor got?
The neighbor got an infinity pool? Ah,
Yeah.
okay.
You can see it from up here.
I see it from here. Taking that money. I'll come for you.
Oh yeah, this is dope. It's another house. For real? Well, on this door. On this door, I mean.
No, here's the right. The rest of them on the right. Ain't nothing in there.
The furnace and stuff. So they got two, cause there's one upstairs on the second floor.
I saw that.
I know, that's dope.
Look at the lighthouse. Wait.
Mm-hmm. I like this. I'm gonna check my bank account. See what I got left.
This is like perfect for when family comes to visit. Like, basement suite big. These people do.
Play basketball. I just seen Cave Cunningham over there.
Why are you making up stuff, Andrew?
Everything's made up.
I got a eye, so.
Now this is dope. Got the with the black toilet. It's dark. Hold on, I gotta get my different lighting. Okay, there we go. That's dope. Got the gator print. Back. I like that. With the quartz or onyx. I think this is, I don't know, might be marble. Not sure. Black toilet. I like it though. Nah. It's already locked.
This one locks
Just
automatically?
close it.